Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how Citec is the only platform available in the market that allows you to create a well-diversified and customized portfolio in less than 2 minutes. Let's go ahead and do it. We click on Portfolio Builder. We select Create a new portfolio. Here we're going to follow a 3-step approach. In this case, we're going to say we're going to be investing $35,000. We click on Criteria. We select the benchmark. We then define what is the optimization objective. In this case, we're going to try to replicate the performance of the index, so we're going to be selecting direct indexing. We run the optimization. This takes on average 5 seconds to do more than 5,000 Monte Carlo scenarios, and we come with this portfolio. We can check out all the positions. We can delete any of these positions if we don't like it. We go to the overview, and at the bottom we can see what is the tracking error of this portfolio that we just created, that is 1.33. And then we can go to the backtest to see if this portfolio is effectively tracking the performance of the index. If we feel comfortable with the portfolio, we can click Go Back to Trades and click Execute Trades. Again, now what it's doing is converting theoretical weights to real weights with number of stocks. And here we have the theoretical weights, and then here the number of the quantity and the price. We can go and execute all these trades and buy them at market by clicking on Execute Trades, confirming, and now Citec is connecting to your broker and executing all these 30 trades with just one click. Let's wait, and voila, all the trades have been made.